Yo, no first order yet, but there is peak pay on Earn by Time right now. I'm assuming it's because it rained for the first time in like a month. So that's probably going to affect how many orders I get, since more drivers are likely to be out right now. I mean, it was only on for like 20 minutes. We'll see if it extends any longer than that though. This whole week has been really slow though. So I'm not sure what to expect from today. Average wait time is 1 to 2 minutes, by the way. Meanwhile, it's been almost 20 since I've gotten any order. Been about 30 minutes, but finally got the first order of the day. This is a Jack in the Box, $11, going just under 7 miles.
Hi, whenever you're ready.
There you go, man. Have a good day.
Thank you. Bit of a wait there. Kind of a lot of food, but luckily no drinks. Really hope I don't have to wait another 20 minutes for an order. Otherwise, first hour is going to be, what, $11? Pretty bad. Okay, this one isn't really good, but I've got a feeling it's just going to be really slow today, so we're taking it. This is a McDonald's, $6, going about 4 miles. Yeah. Thank you. And that order rounds up the first hour. Not very good. I think we're at, what is that, 17? I mean, it could be a lot worse, but still behind pace. And back to waiting. Average wait time, 1 to 3 minutes, by the way. I love being lied to. Was about to do a lap around town, but I just got an order before I pulled off. This is a Voodoo Donut. This one's going less than a mile. That doesn't sound very promising, but let's do it.
There you go. Take care, man.
Thank you.
Right on.
Oh wait, they actually tipped. That one was decent. It was $6, but like, it took maybe 10 minutes, if that. Also, I got the next order. This is a, what is this? IHOP. This one is $8, going 4 miles. Not quite what I was looking for, but it's on the right track at least. This is a Starbucks, $8 going 2 miles, but I gotta make a U-turn, so that's gonna add some time to it. I've got Wendy.
Snap back right there for you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That was a quick one, but I think we're still down like, I'd say a couple bucks. It's about to be 2 hours in, any second now, and we've gotten 1 DoorDash order. Average wait time is 1 to 3 minutes, by the way. I haven't paused it at all. It's been running this whole time. I wasn't paying attention when I accepted this order. I think it's going across the river. This is a Chick-fil-A, $15 going 8 miles. Perfect. There you are.
Thank you.
Yep.
You have a good morning.
You as well. Okay, I got the next order right away. This one, I think, is bringing me further away from my zone, which kind of sucks, but whatever. This is a Panera going 6 miles. Thank you. You too. That was kind of weird. While I was in there waiting for this order to be packaged, they give me or they tried to give me, I declined it. They tried to give me a shopping order for Target, but I'm on Earn by Time, so that's weird. Why would they do that? Total for that one was $7 and change. They just tried to give me another shopping order. Like, do they not realize that I'm on Earn by Time? Or did they change that? Or not? They just tried to give me a DoorDash order, but it's acting as if I'm not on Earn by Time, even though the one that I just dropped off was on Earn by Time. Next up is another Panera. This one, I think it's bringing me back into my zone. This one is $7 going 5 miles. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, the good one.
You too. Brother, they just tried to give me an order going back across the river. It was a really good order, but I don't want to be over there right now. It was a Denny's, $11 going 4 miles. Also, it's like that time of morning where everyone's going to work, so the traffic going down there is crazy. Go. Thank you. I'm on the wrong side of the building. Where am I? Okay, they tempted me. This hopefully is not going to be a mistake. Taking a Denny's going across the river, $12 going 3 miles. Thank you.
Yeah, have a good morning.
You too. Alright, I think I've had enough for today. Let's go home. Current time is 9:28. I've got no idea what the total is because all these orders were on all the apps all over the place. Either way, I feel like today was not very good. Okay, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.